Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix age restriction on X. So first of all, press on your profile icon on the top left, then go to your profile here, then go to edit profile. Then here select birth date and make sure your birth date is 18 plus. Here you can change it if you want to, right? And then press continue. Then what you need to do here, go back, press on your profile icon again. Then you need to go to scroll down until you see settings and privacy, then select your account, then select account information, and then select country. And here you need to select United States. Find United States here and select the country. Press change, right? And once you do that, then you need to open a VPN. I'm using Privado VPN. It costs $1 a month. I leave the link in the description. You can sign up and get for $1 a month. I believe there is a free versions of VPN. You can just search for it, but nevertheless, then you just need to connect to US. Once you're connected, then you can scroll down and you should see all the content that you want. Of course, I cannot show you here because it's illegal, but it should work for you. So yeah, that's basically it.